guys, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. Happy New Year is our first video for a Tech Tuesday. So let's get it going. I have a new camera lens and I bought this on eBay, and I'll insert probably right here what the lens and the lens I was using before relative on the camera lens there. Oh, I'm in focus. So the lens I was using before was the kit lens, and it looked like this. And the lens I'm using now is it's weightier, and it has a lot of weight to it. It's the Sigma lens, and let me put this over here. It's my kit lens that I was using before. Kit lens meaning it came with the camera, and this is the Canon T3i. Yeah, I'm back, man. It's the Canon T3i that I'm using, and that lens, that's the lens that came with the kit. And yes, that's what I've been using for the past. I'm jumpy.
You think you're really making proud over Hannah and drop off?
No, but you want to get up, you want to stand up and walk.
Alright.
I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is the kit lens I'm using. My ISO it's normally in the middle, but it's kind of like closer to the one, but not really. My lens, my background is so nicely blurred, and I love it. Right now I'm at a 0.4 for the lens. The f-stop is at a 0.4, and I think that's the lowest one or the highest one, not sure, but that's like the last one going that way. For the camera, this is the Sigma 30mm 1.4 f-stop lens, I think it's called. And yeah, so that's what I'm using to film right now, and this is my new camera for 2016. This is why you have not been seeing me at all, because I was trying to get this camera lens, and I could have filmed the last week, but bruh, to clear this lens, it already costed me like thousands of dollars, and then to clear it was another $1,000, and I was like, nothing with ship me, because ship me is the ship me, right? Ship me is the ship. You the ship, ship me, you the ship. Because the last time I made a video and it just got out of proportion, I was mad as hell because customs were being very rude and very ridiculous and very overpriced, and welcome down the black people in money. But this lens wasn't cheap to clear, and I understand that because of what it does and because it's an equipment, so I guess I have to price it or whatever. I don't know the pricing, but I don't want to be a douche about it and say bad things about customs again. Unless it's warranted, where if I need to make a video, I'll make a video. Okay. So yeah, so right now I'm filming on my new lens, and I just absolutely love it. I'm going to insert some pictures that I took, maybe not, I don't know, it depends on how I feel when I'm editing this. But I just want to tell you guys, this is the lens that I've been using. I've started to use. I've filmed 2 videos already. It's my 3rd, and I just love how it just blurs the background. It's just, you're like, oh, I love it though. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, that's it for this Tech Tuesday. I'm not quite sure what else I could do for this series. Let me know. Let me know what else you want to see for these Tech Tuesday videos. We'll go up every single Tuesday. And yeah, let me know by posting a comment in the description bar. And also please click subscribe. I'm on a road to 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I was inspired by Tam the Infamous, because Tam the Infamous has about, I think, 600 and something subscribers, and she's on her road to 1 million, which I'm sure she's going to do by the end of 2016, because you know that's time, that is Bay, so I'm sure she's going to hit it. But I saw how she wasn't afraid to say, okay guys, this is my goal and this is what I want to reach. I need you guys' help, which is true, because without you watching my videos, I wouldn't be where I am today. Without you guys watching my videos, I would not have launched POMI By Lyric. I would not have had the platform that I would have had to even go on that tour with Fontana. I wouldn't have had the opportunity to work with Smile Bright, who, as you guys know, is another form of income for me. I wouldn't have so much opportunities if that wasn't for you guys. And meeting you guys every single day, I'm going to road and meet at least 1 subscriber, and I'm humbled and I'm blessed by it. I want bigger things for this year for me, you know what I mean? I want to be big. 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 And the reason why I want to do it is for you. I want to show you guys that you can do it. I don't want you guys to think about doing a YouTube video and then don't bother put it up, or because they don't have this, because they don't have that. Honey, I started with nothing. I started with my camera on my windowsill, and now I'm buying this thousands of dollar lens. $1,000 Jamaican, by the way, not US. Mama's not there yet, hey? Not there yet. and just for where I am today, I'm grateful. So road to 500,000, we're currently at 146,000 now. It really means a lot to me if you just click subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, so you can be one of the first to watch, and also to comment. Let me know what else you want to see for these tech Tuesday videos. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Oh yeah, kisses. This lines though, I love it.